Welcome to Aquanon, manufactured by Mega Magic. Aquanon is manufactured in an ISO 9001 compliant manufacturing plant. Aquanon holds a Boeing specification D7-17484, is environmentally friendly and biodegradable. Water is a scarce resource. Aquanon uses as little as 500 milliliters of water to rinse your cloth, opposed to 200 liters of water for a traditional car wash. Aquanon is multi-purpose: vehicle exterior, mags, windows. No scratching. Aquanon contains special waxes that encapsulate, surround and lift road film and dirt off the painted surface for a scratch-free finish. Aquanon is easy to use. Simple spray, wipe and buff. Start your own franchise now for under 700 Rand or sponsor a deserving citizen to start their own business. For additional details, techniques and training, please visit megamagic.co.za.